Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your SteamApps folder in the default Steam game directory. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu bar of the Steam interface. You'll see several options displayed there, and you'll want to click on Library. This section houses all the games you currently have installed on your system. Now, in the left panel of your library, you'll see a list of all your installed games. Right-click on the specific game for which you want to find the SteamApps folder. A context menu will appear with several options. Hover your mouse over the option that says Manage. This will expand another submenu with additional management options for that game. From this submenu, select Browse Local Files. This action will immediately open the game's installation folder in your File Explorer, taking you directly to where the game files are stored on your computer. This method is the quickest way to access the SteamApps folder for any particular game. Alternatively, if you installed your game on your local disk C, you can navigate there manually through your File Explorer. In the left panel of your File Explorer, click on Local Disk C or whatever local drive you used to install Steam. This will display all the folders contained on that drive. Next, click on the folder labeled Program Files x86. This is a standard Windows directory where many programs, including Steam, install their files by default. Once you're inside the Program Files x86 folder, click on the folder named Steam. This is the main directory where all of Steam's core files and game data are stored. Inside the Steam folder, you'll find another folder called SteamApps. Click on it to open it. This folder contains all the game installation files, updates, and workshop content for your Steam games. Finally, within the SteamApps folder, click on the folder labeled Common. This is where all your installed game folders are located. Each game you've installed will have its own dedicated folder inside Common, making it easy to access specific game files whenever you need them. And that's it. You've successfully located your SteamApps folder using both the quick in-app method and the manual file navigation method. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.